In this video, I'm going to show you how to work with website shortcuts in Google Chrome. So once you open up Chrome, you will see the section below the search here with different websites. These can either be sites that you have put there yourself by adding shortcuts by clicking add and enter the name and the URL and save, right? Now, you can also use them for your most viewed sites. And I'm going to show you how to work with that. And in case you also don't want to use them, how you turn them off. So on the lower right hand side, you'll find Customize Chrome. If you click on that and scroll down, you will have the section called Shortcuts. Now, by default, it is on. And so if you don't want to have these showing up on your Chrome and want to keep it clean, you can toggle this feature off, right? Or you can keep it on and select between my shortcuts or most viewed sites. So you can switch between whichever one you want. So it's really up to you. Now, I personally like to use my shortcuts so that I can easily access the sites that I want. Or as I said, if you want to keep it clean, just go ahead and turn it off. But that's it, guys. That's how you work with shortcuts in Google Chrome.